Good morning to all. Today we are going to deal about the C programming language that will be our first programming language. Let us begin our journey with the introduction part. Introduction to C. C is a programming language which is developed at AT&T's Bell Laboratories of USA in 1972. It was designed and written by Dennis Ritchie. C seems so popular because they are reliable, simple, and easy to use. Often heard today is C has been already superseded by languages like C++, C hashtag, and Java. Program. There is a close analogy between learning English language and learning C language. The classical method of learning English is to first learn the alphabets used in the language, then learn to combine them to form words. Words are combined to form sentences. Sentences in turn are combined to form paragraph. Likewise, learning C is similar and easier. Instead of straight away learning how to write programs, we must know how alphabets, numbers, and special symbols are used in C, then how using them constants, variable, keywords are constructed, and finally how are these combined to form instructions. A group of instructions could be combined later on to form a program. So, a computer program is just a collection of instructions necessary to solve a specific problem. The basics operations of a computer system form what is known as computer's instruction set, and the approach or method that is used to solve a problem is known as algorithm. So far as computer programming language concerned, there are of two types, that is low language and the high level language. Low level language are machine level and assembly level language. In machine level language, computer can only understand digit numbers, that is, of the form 0 and 1s. So, instructions given to the computer is of the form binary digit, which is difficult to implement instructions in binary code. This type of program is not portable. They are difficult to maintain and they are error prone. The assembly level language, on the other hand, is the modified version of the machine level language, where instructions are written in the English words such as add, move, multiply, subtract, and sum, etc. It is easy to write and understand, but these are all not understood by the machine level language. Although language is bit easier, programmer has to know low level details related to the low level language. In the assembly level language, the data are stored in the computer register, which varies for different computer, hence they are not portable. High level language. These languages are machine independent, means they are portable. The language in this category is Pascal, COBOL, Fortran, etc. High level language are understood by the machine, so it need to translate by the translator into machine level. A translator is a software. A translator is a software which is used to convert high level language and low level language into machine level language. So, in translator, there are of three types. First one is compiler, interpreter, and assembler. Compiler and interpreter are used to convert high level language into the machine level language. The program written in the high level language is known as source program, and corresponding machine level language program is known as object program. Both compiler and interpreter perform the same task, but the working is quite different. Compiler read the program at a time and searches the error and lists them. If the program is error free, then it is converted into the object program. When the program size is large, then compiler is preferred. Whereas interpreter read only one line of the source code and convert it into the object code. If it check error, statement by statement, and hence it takes more time. Now, let us learn about integrated development environment. That will be the last topic for this lecture. What do you mean by IDE? The process of editing, compiling, running, and debugging programs is often managed by a single integrated application known as IDE. An IDE is a window based program that allow us to easily manage large software programs, edit files in Windows, and compile, link, run, and debug the programs. On Mac, OS X, CodeWarrior, and Xcode are the two IDEs that are used by many programmers. Under Windows, Microsoft Visual Studio Code is a good example for popular IDE. Kylix is a popular IDE for developing application under Linux. Most IDEs are also support program development in several different programming languages like C, hashtags, and C++. So in the upcoming lecture, we are going to learn about the structure of C